Welcome to another fun and exciting episode of Willpower Adventures. Today is George, the Series 1 Land Rover's birthday. It left the factory January 23rd, 1956. It rolled off the assembly line. And I've been pushing to get it back together for this day, and it's not completely been achieved, but I'm fairly happy with how it's come together. And I still have all today to maybe test fire it, but it doesn't actually matter. It's together. Obviously, all kinds of little things to deal with. And that's what we're going to do today. Okay, I'm going to have a nice relaxing time and eat this beautiful butterfly biscuit beef stew lunch that my fiance made me with a mocha. And after that, I'm going to hop over to the gas station, grab some fuel for this beast, and do a little bit more of the getting it ready to test run, folks. Alright, here's our first test fire on the 1956 Land Rover, who turns 66 years old today. Left the assembly line 66 years ago. Okay. Fuel pump. Neutral. Oh.